ご注意ください。皆様お待たせいたしました。このケーブルカーはおよそ5分で標高867メートルの高野山駅に到着いたします。金山地の霊場と参詣道としてユネスコの世界遺産に登録されている真言密教の聖地高野山へお越しくださいましてありがとうございます。この高野山は弘法大師がおよそ1200年前天山入国のこの地に真言密教の一大道場を開かれてから真言密教の聖地として栄え、現在お寺は117箇寺、うち宿坊52箇寺、山内人口およそ4000人の町でございます。山内には真言宗の総本山金剛仏寺をはじめ根本大塔、金堂、霊宝館やさらに奥の院の参道およそ2キロには諸大名のお墓などがございます。 Ladies and gentlemen, this cable car will take us to Koyasan Station, located at 867 meters above sea level in 5 minutes. Welcome to Koyasan, the sacred area for the Shingon sect of esoteric Buddhism with UNESCO's World Heritage Site, the sacred site Pilgrimage Route in the Kii Mountain Range. Koyasan was founded 12 centuries ago by the priest Kobo Daishi for the study and practice of Shingon Buddhism. The original temple has grown into a town, and the town of Koyasan has prospered around the headquarters of the Koyasan sect of Buddhism. It now has a population of about 4,000, and 52 out of 117 temples in town offer lodging for overnight guests. The mountain of Koyasan is home to many famous sites, such as Kongo Buji Temple, main headquarters for the Shingon sect, Konpon Daito, Kondo, the Reihosan Museum, and a vast cemetery for numerous famous Japanese lives like the 2-kilometer-long path between Ichinohashi and Okunoi. Mesdames et messieurs, dans 5 minutes, nous arriverons à la gare funiculaire de Koya, qui se trouve à l'altitude de 867 mètres. Le mont Koya, siège de la secte bouddhiste Shingon, est inscrit à l'UNESCO sur la liste du patrimoine mondial de l'humanité, au même titre que les sites religieux et les chemins de pèlerinage des montagnes. 皆様、まもなく高野山です。お忘れ物をなさいませんよう、お降りの支度を願います。なお、到着の際、ケーブルカーは揺れますのでご注意ください。ケーブルカーが完全に止まり、扉が開きましてから順序よくお降り願います。ホームは階段になっておりますので、お足元にご注意ください。本日はご乗車くださいましてありがとうございました。Ladies and gentlemen, we will soon arrive at Koyasan Station. Please make sure to have all your personal belongings with you before getting off the cable car. Please be aware that the cable car becomes shaky when it makes the final approach. For a safety measure, do not rush to get off the cable car. The door will open after the cable car makes a complete stop. Also, watch out for the stairs of the platform. Thank you very much for riding our cable car today. Mesdames et messieurs.
Alright, so right now I am in Koyasan, and before I show you the room I have, I want to make a little update. The plan was to get here at about 1 p.m. but I ended up leaving my place at 1 p.m. because I got up late once again, so I wasn't sure if I was going to make it in time. You're supposed to check in by 5 p.m. and I actually got here at 5:20, which was too late, but the dinner was served us at 5:30, so I ended up being alright. So yeah, the guy just brought me to my room, then I just went back down to the dinner place. Also, I thought there was going to be a communal room, but in the end it was, my own room to eat. So if I had known, I would have brought the camera. By the way, I'm whispering because the walls are pretty thin, of course, so I don't want to annoy people by talking too loud. Anyways, yeah, so I got here late, but it was alright in the end. It also wasn't all that hard to come here. It just took quite a while. From where I was staying, it took about 3 hours. But it was really beautiful to go through the mountains in the train. So yeah. Anyways, the food was also really good. It's vegetarian monk food, and I wouldn't eat this every single day, but it was actually really good, better than what I was expecting. But yeah, for now I'm just gonna show you my room, and I'm gonna show you outside tomorrow, because right now it's quite dark, as you will see in a second. So I'm not sure what that is. I'm just saying not to go through this door, I suppose. The heater, we have a little TV, some storage place, and here is the bed, the futon, of course. Then over there there's a little, I forgot what it's called, but it's some place where they put religious or spiritual things, this scroll. I guess we can call it a mini shrine. Not really, but yeah. There's some water heater here to make tea and stuff. And here in the other room there's a table with a kotatsu. You can turn it on and it heats pretty much. There's a yukata over there, but I'm not exactly sure how to put it on, so yeah. Places to, oh, I just hit my head. This is pretty low. It's a place to put your clothes on. Some extra cushion if you have people over. And then here in this little room, I'm not sure how to open the light. This is the room I'm in right now. This doesn't do anything. And I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, I believe that's a light, but I don't know how to turn it on. Yeah, there's a place to wash your hands, I suppose. I'm not sure what that is. And yeah, that's outside. And the view is really good. But, you know, as you can see, it's pretty dark right now. So I'm not going to be able to show you that. But yeah, so far it's really good. I was told it was going to be really strict and that if at 5 I wasn't here, I wasn't going to be accepted and my reservation was going to be cancelled and stuff, so I was really stressed. But I got here and it was totally fine. The guy could speak a little bit of English, which made it a lot easier. And yeah, so that's probably the last video I will do for today. But tomorrow I will do a whole lot more once I can actually, you know, show outside. But yeah, this is just a quick overview of the room. It looks really awesome. So yeah, hopefully I'll have a good night. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to record the morning ceremony or ritual thing tomorrow morning at 7 o'clock, but I will ask, and if they say no, they say no. If they say yes, well, good. But yeah, so that's gonna be it for today, so I will see you tomorrow. Alright, so as you may or may not be able to tell from my wet hair, I actually just went into the, well, I don't know if I should call it onsen, but that's pretty much what it was, I suppose. It's the bathing area of this temple, which is really just like a onsen. It's a public place that you go and, you know, you wash yourself and then you go into a tub filled with hot water. And this was actually my first time going in there, and man, that stuff is hot. The water, I think, was at 50 degrees Celsius, and you know, I'm not used to that. I'm also not used to the yukata, but whatever. But yeah, I was not expecting it to be that hot. I thought it would be like, you know, 40 Celsius, which would have been fine. But now 50, I put my first leg in and I almost screamed because I wasn't expecting that. You know, after staying both legs in for a while, they got used to it, but they were starting to be quite red. So I had to, not literally, but I had to jump in if I wanted to have time to actually, you know, get in completely. Other than my head, of course, that's from showering. But yeah, so I got my whole body in up until, you know, my neck. I waited 5 seconds and then I just jumped out pretty much, not literally once again, I just went back up really quickly. So it's just something that I'm gonna have to get used to because this is definitely a big part of Japanese culture, so it's something I do want to experience a few other times, and I actually really hope my camera is recording right now because I'm talking for longer than I thought. But yeah, this is actually going to be the real last video. It is 8:30 right now, and the morning ceremony tomorrow, I have the paper right here. The morning ceremony begins at 7, and there's a bell that rings to tell you when something's happening, and it's gonna ring 10 minutes before. So that means I have to be ready, if possible, at 6:30. So I have to set my alarm for, you know, either 5:30 or 6. Actually, I'm probably gonna try to set it up so that I wake up before the sun sets, so I can see the sun setting, hoping that it's that way. It probably isn't, but you never know. But yes, I'm probably gonna get up like 4:30, not 4:30, 5 or 5:30. I don't know. And you know, then after that, you know, there's gonna be the breakfast, and hopefully it's still going to be in a solo room. That way I would be able to, you know, take a better picture. Oh my god, there's a bug right there. A big bug at it. Oh my god, I'm starting to hate this place. No, but really, I hate bugs, and these bugs are really big. I don't want to show it, but I would say it's about this size. No, maybe more this size, I don't know. I'm gonna have trouble sleeping with those bugs. But other than that, this place is really awesome. I just really hate bugs, and they're so big that you don't want to, you know, squish them because it's gonna be disgusting. Oh, just thinking about it. Anyways, on that, I will wish you a good night, or I guess by the time you watch this, it's probably gonna be more. Actually, no, it's gonna be morning for me, but night for you. So depending where you are in the world, and if you watch it when I upload it. Anyways, so that's it for now, and I will see you next time. Actually, I said I wouldn't show it, but see if I can zoom in it. Oh, there. Yeah. It doesn't look that big, but remember, I'm pretty far. See? Yeah. I'm not sure what I will do about that, but yeah. So, bye.